So you guys, we'll be looking at what is Atlas DEX, a capital efficient cross-chain DEX and DeFi optimizer. So we want to check this out to understand the basics of this project. So on DeFi's decentralized finance. So it's by Keys article by Daniel Phillips, CoinMarketCap Alexandria. So guys, if this is your first time coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to our videos. Click on the red subscribe button down below this video so you get and also turn on the notifications so that you get notified whenever we drop beneficial updates. You can also click on like button, give this video a thumbs up so you can reach more people, and also share this video if you find it beneficial or informative to other crypto users. So it says in table of content, we'll be looking at how the Atlas decks work and also the uniqueness of these Atlas decentralized nature. So liquidity from fragmentation is a major problem with on-chain trading. The DEX are traditionally plagued by gut-wrenching slippage costs, especially those that adhere to the classic constant product formula model (CAMM). Moreover, disparate liquidity availability can result in price variance depending on the DEX use. This can mean optimal trading strategies are turned ineffective due to DEX hopping and the need to manage multiple sign-ins, wallets, keys, and interfaces. So Atlas DEX solves this classic on-chain trading problem. Launching in January 2022, Atlas will aggregate DEX from multiple chains, including its native Solana chain, as well as the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon ecosystems. The further chains will be integrated in time. So how does Atlas DEX work? So Atlas DEX works by charting the current price info of DEX on multiple connected chains. Then when a user places an order, Atlas will aggregate liquidity across chains to provide users with the best price. The order routing occurs when an asset A to asset Z pairing isn't available but can be achieved by going through an intermediary pair. The Atlas DEX will find the pairing or pairings that create the best route between the two and then execute the trade for the user when they confirm. The order splitting is when, due to various liquidity situations and liquidity drain caused by large trade executed on one particular pool, using that pool alone would result in slippage that renders the trade non-viable. In this case, orders will be split across pools available, even multi-chain. The mathematical principles underlying the algorithm are available in the Atlas Light paper. Now the Solana cross-chain bridges and wormhole tech. So Atlas DEX chose to build on Solana due to the low transaction fees and fast transaction throughput, both of which add to further reduce overall transaction costs for traders. The Solana has also makes it possible to execute multi-order, multi-pool trades at the speed necessary to make them worthwhile. The DEX platform which utilizes Solana's wormhole technology to power its cross-chain swaps. Solana's wormhole tech is non-custodial cross-chain bridge overseen by guardians of equal weight who borrow authority from the Solana network to validate the swaps. Once the guardians approve the swap, a mint and bond process is enacted and the asset can uh, move and cross-chain. So the bridges are bi-directional, allowing for trades to be completed through them. So the Atlas DEX token ATS token is the governance and utility token for the Atlas DEX. ATS holders can receive trading discounts, further increasing the edge they gain. Atlas DEX has a token supply of 250 million, out of which a solid portion will be airdropped to early superstars. Majority of the supply is locked and will be released over a number of years and can be earned by providing liquidity to the Atlas DEX native pools. In time, a DAO will be set up and community voting activated to direct the future of the protocol. The Atlas DEX roadmap. So in January 2022, aggregating liquidity from Solana's AMMs and finalizing the cross-chain bridges, there are also integral to Atlas vision. So these are the roadmaps. The cross-chain swaps launch for Sol, ETH, BSC, and Polygon. We have a Chainlink Oracle integration, liquidity pools, and farms. The all-in-one DeFi dashboard, cross-chain integration for Avalanche, Harmony, UB, CoChain, and other L1s and two L2s. So what makes Atlas DEX unique? So the DEX world has a user experience problem which hinders adoption and oftentimes leads to significant losses suffered due to improper order routing. Atlas DEX aims to minimize costs through the usage of other uh, splitting and aggregated liquidity systems that remain operational even when trading between two different chains. This leads to a sex-like experience which has often been dubbed as the missing puzzle piece in DeFi. You want to check out for finding the best price. Say by aggregating liquidity of DEX on these chains, traders using Atlas DEX can always get the best price for their assets. Moreover, it allows for the ability to swap two assets that otherwise have not been paired, as Atlas will find the best route between the two by utilizing multiple liquidity pools across multiple chains if needed. Atlas also provides traders with automated order splitting on that trade so that the best price from asset A to asset Z can be achieved. A seamless solution to a complex problem. We also have a cross-chain liquidity aggregation. So these are some of the perks. So in final notes, since it can be used to power decentralized on-chain trades of any level of complexity, all while ensuring the best possible outcome for the user, Atlas DEX could be poised to shake up expectations of what to expect when trading on on-chain wallets. So guys, that's all we have on today's review on Atlas DEX. Feel free to subscribe and let us know what you feel in the comment section. Drop your feedbacks. We do hope this update is beneficial. I'll also be dropping a link in the description box so you want to check it out. So you can read this article in full, check out other articles live on CoinMarketCap too. Peace out and one love, guys.